Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import Schedule K-1 into TurboTax. This is incredibly useful if you're dealing with partnership income, S corporation distributions, or trust income, as it streamlines your tax filing process and ensures all your financial data is accurately reported. Start by opening your TurboTax app. To do this, open a browser and head to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your tax return. This step is essential because all your tax information is stored within your account, and you'll need to be logged in to make any changes or imports. Once your account is loaded, you'll be ready to begin the import process. To import Schedule K-1 into TurboTax, start by heading to your search bar located on the top part of your screen. This search function is an easier navigation method to quickly access your Schedule K-1 section without having to click through multiple menus. From the search field, type in K-1. This will bring up relevant results related to the K-1 schedule. You can directly jump to the K-1 import schedule by clicking on Take Me to K-1 from the results. This shortcut saves you time and takes you exactly where you need to be. From here, the process of importing is quite straightforward. TurboTax has built this feature to be user-friendly, so you won't need any advanced tax knowledge to complete it. Simply follow the guide that appears on your screen and click on Continue. You'll see a list of documents and requirements based on different factors such as LLC, S corporation, estate or trust, or a real estate mortgage. These categories help TurboTax determine which specific K-1 form you need to import and how to process the information correctly. Click on Yes if you possess any of these for import to proceed. This confirmation allows TurboTax to tailor the import process to your specific situation. After clicking Yes, follow TurboTax's guide to complete the process. The platform will walk you through each field you need to fill out, and it will prompt you to upload or enter the necessary information from your K-1 form. Make sure to have your physical or digital K-1 document handy so you can accurately input all the required details. TurboTax will automatically populate certain fields and perform calculations based on the data you provide, which helps minimize errors and ensures compliance with IRS requirements. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Schedule K-1 into TurboTax, making your tax filing process much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.